Hey there, welcome back to Topictrick. If you're enjoying our Rexx programming series, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss a new lesson. And if you're serious about learning Rexx, check out our full Rexx Complete Reference course on Udemy. Perfect for beginners and pros alike. Let's dive into today's topic. Arrays in Rexx. Now in Rexx, there's no fixed structure called an array like you see in other languages. But don't worry, Rexx gives us something just as powerful, called stem variables. They work almost the same way as arrays. You can think of stem variables as a group of values all sharing the same name with different indexes. There are mainly two types of arrays you can create using stem variables: simple indexed arrays and associative arrays. The simple ones use numbers as keys, like 1, 2, 3, and so on. The associative ones can use words or any string as keys, like apple, price, or username. Let's take a quick example. Suppose we want to store the names of fruits. Here's how we define it. Fruit.1 equals apple, fruit.2 equals banana, fruit.3 equals cherry. To access them, we just refer to the index like this, say fruit.2. This will print banana. And to loop through an array, we often use a do loop like this. Do I equals 1 to 3, say fruit.iEnd. This will print all three fruits, one by one. Another cool thing, Rexx allows us to check how many elements are in an array by storing a count manually or using conventions. There's no built-in length function for arrays, so it's common to maintain a counter like fruit.0 equals 3. Also, keep in mind that in Rexx, these stem variables are dynamic. You don't need to declare them in advance. Just assign a value and it's ready to go. That's part of what makes Rexx so simple and flexible. Arrays or stem variables are super useful when dealing with lists, configurations, lookups, or anything you need to store and retrieve in a structured way. Rexx is still widely used in mainframe systems today, and knowing how to handle arrays properly can help you automate tasks more efficiently. So, that's a quick overview of how arrays work in Rexx. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, give us a like and share it with others learning Rexx. And don't forget to check out our complete course on Udemy for more hands-on lessons, real-life examples, and full project walkthroughs. Thanks for watching Topictrick. See you in the next one.